But what I'm going to do now is deviate from GLFS as I have done in the previous GLFS on MLFS video, and install TWM to give me a basic graphical environment which will allow me to test the GUI as well as having an environment to work from, which just makes things a little bit easier. So I'm going to go to this and then find TWM. So actually I should go to 12.3, version 12.3 of the book really. Find TWM. So this is BLFS book version 12.3 because that's the current version. Go to TWM. Needs X server, so I've got that. So I'll change into a directory I've got here with all the files that I need to do this part. So extract TWM and build it. Okay, and I'm going to install that now. So that's TWM. So now I'm going to install just a couple of applications. Next one's XTerm. And this actually requires a program called Luit. So let's install that one first. Oh, I've deleted it. That was a bit daft. Okay. I was thinking about whether to delete the XTerm directory, but I thought I'd leave it. And for some reason, I just carried on typing Luit after that. So I'm going to go into the web browser, onto my server, and just download Luit again. So find the TWM directory. There it is. Download it again. And this time I'll extract it rather than delete it. So configure and build it. And install it. And that's done. Shut that down. Next thing I've got to do is to install some fonts. So the instructions, as an example here, will actually work with the Deja Vu fonts. So once you've downloaded them, all you need to do is just copy these fonts, these commands rather. So I'll extract the file. And run these commands. Let's run one at a time so we can see what happens. So that's created a directory. This is now going to copy the fonts from this directory into that directory, and then this command will update a cache, a font config cache. And don't worry about these two, that's the important bit there. And that should be that for the fonts. So we can go back now to XTerm and build this. Now there's one command, let me run these two in, that I'm going to add, or another option to configure to enable the toolbar, because it can be quite useful. I think it's just toolbar, but I'll check for sure. Right, might be easier to grep it. Yep, there it is. So just enable toolbar. So I'll copy this command and add on that. Okay, that's configured, so I'm going to build this now. Don't think it takes that long. Okay, and install this now. I've just got to put this in to configure it, and that's done. We'll move on to XClock next, just to add in a nice little clock. Configure and build. And install it, and that's complete. So I think that's done for TWM now. Yep. So that's installed. That's ready for use when I go to the desktop